Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how slicers are different to filter in Excel. Okay, so first I will show my table. This is my table, okay, which contains 10 rows. If you want to apply filter for this table, so you can use data and filter, or you can also use shortcut key Control Shift L. So immediately you can see the filter option for all header columns. Okay, this shortcut key helps to give the filter option. Okay, so what happened in the filter? You can just click the drop down and select your required values to filter the data. So here I want to filter Bangalore and Vizag employees. Just click on two checkboxes and click OK. It will filter those two location values. Okay, and again you can go back to, if you remove the filter, if you go back to uncheck those values. Okay, so by this way it will help to filter the data. Okay, so additionally we have slicers option available in the table and pivot table, not for all. So first I want to make this entire data in Excel sheet into table format. So how can you make this as a table? Just place your cursor in the data, go to insert. Now you can see table option. Okay, just click on table. Okay, or you can also do in other way and back to the normal data. So first change these background columns. Okay, now there is a shortcut key Control plus T. If you make Control T, so this will give the range of this cell address of the data in the Excel sheet, and just click OK. So table has been created. How we can know this is a table? So just you can see on the top there is no design tab earlier. Once after creating the table, you can see design under table tools. By this way you can know this is a table. So here this is a slicer. If you want to insert slicer in the table, just click on the slicer. So it will give one more dialog box with the all column values. So here you have to select your required columns. Suppose here I want to select location. Okay, location, click OK. Now you can see one more dialog box with all unique values in the location column. There are 10 rows are there, and these are the unique values in the location. And so here if you want to get Vizag, you can just click on Vizag. If you want to get Chennai, Bangalore, so if you want to select multiple values, suppose I want to select Bangalore and Hyderabad, just place your cursor on the Bangalore and put control and select one more option. So now you can see Bangalore and Hyderabad. So earlier in the filter option we can use the drop down button and select, but this time once after insert the slicers you can select just with the mouse only. Okay, as per your requirement, and you want to select as many values as you can. Okay, by using control. So this is for one filter, and you can also drag and drop this filter and resize your filter size. Suppose I am reducing the size. Okay, and here I want to make it as a everything is in one column, all these values in one by one you can see in. So if I want to make it as a two column, just you can apply two here in the top. Just by default it will take one, you have to make it as a two. Now you can see all these values as spread across to two columns. Okay, by this way you can design your filter slicer design. Okay, and you can also reduce the size, everything you can reduce size. So this is for one filter. Suppose if I want to add one more filter, so here I am taking, so here I want to add one more filter, go to design. This time I want to add gender. So you can see one more filter with gender separately. Okay, gender, there are two values, male and female, and so directly you can check. So I want to know male employees who are working in Hyderabad. Just you can click the M here and you can click the H Hyderabad here. Now you can see the data is visualized like this. And if you want to filter female employees in Hyderabad and Chennai, okay, Hyderabad, and there is no one employee in Hyderabad. Okay, I will take one more. Okay, Vizag, Bangalore is two. Okay, so Hyderabad and Bangalore. This time I am taking Hyderabad and Bangalore. You can see these two locations all are female employees. So I click the female at the in gender column F. Okay, and I click the Bangalore and Hyderabad. So by this way you can handle, you can take a control multiple values of the header columns. Okay, whereas in filter, regular filter, we can use, we can click the location and we can click the gender column separately, but this time in this slicer option we can take the, we can use the slicers just by clicking mouse. Okay, and you can also add as many filters, as many slicers you want. Suppose I am taking one more filter here, removing this one and removing this one. Now this is the data. Now I am taking one more filter with design, go to design and slicers. This time I am taking department. Department I am taking, so here you can see the department with all unique values. Just resize your slicers. Now you see all these three placed in just beside the one Excel sheet. Okay, and you can take as many like this you can do. So I am taking admin department male employees Chennai. Okay, so you can get all these male employees in admin department. Suppose here I am taking IT department, IT department female employees in Chennai. You can see. Just by using mouse clicking, you can select the data and you can see the data as per your requirement. And this is very interactive. But this option, slicer option, is available only for table and pivot table, not for all. Suppose I am back to the this normal data, convert to range. So now this is not a table. Now I want to make this as a pivot table. So how can you make a pivot table? Insert pivot table is one option, or you can also use Alt NVT. Alt NVT will give the range of the cell and it will create the pivot table in new sheet. Okay, the pivot table. Now here you can see insert slicer. That means this insert slicers available only in table and pivot table. Now this is not a table. Now you cannot see anywhere in the insert slicer option because this is not a table. So this slicer option is available only for table and pivot table. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.